Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two popular smartphones, the OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 12. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. OnePlus 13 comes with an IP68 rating and the OnePlus 12 comes with an IP65 rating. Display features. Both devices come with 6.82 inches LTPO AMOLED display and the same display features. Let's move to the hardware features. Both devices are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. OnePlus 13 comes with 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto and 50 megapixel ultrawide. And the OnePlus 12 comes with 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel telephoto and 48 megapixel ultrawide. And also both phones have 32 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.4, studio speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.